Neat Freaks Cleaning Franchise is available. Victoria. Costing from just $2,500 to get started, now's the time to join the Neat Freaks family. This trusted cleaning franchise will help you achieve a healthy work-life balance with a good income. With an established client base and increasing demand, your dream of becoming a business owner is now a reality. With Neat Freaks franchise program, you'll manage your own hours and receive extensive training to set you up for success. Proudly Australian owned and operated, Neat Freaks delivers an ROI of 20 to 30% within the first 7 months. Neat Freaks makes sure you scale quickly and retain more profit month by month as your location grows. Venturing into the cleaning industry as Neat Freaks' latest franchisee is one of the smartest business decisions you can ever make. Reach out today to learn more about this exciting opportunity.